Hello everyone. In this video we will discuss some questions that came in previous year's medical exams from the topic of vectors. Now this question is from NEET 2016. If we look at this question, it says that magnitude of sum of two vectors is equal to magnitude of difference. So they are saying this. So I can say this should be minus. If I square both sides, we get this. And if I rearrange, we get this. 4 non-zero, b non-zero, so cos theta must be 0. If cos theta is 0, then theta must be 90 degrees. Hence the answer to this question is option 2, 90 degrees. Fine. This question that we are looking at is from AIPMT 2010. It says B vector plus E vector. See B vector and E. So if I draw B vector and if I draw E vector, the resultant should be something like this, but this is not the direction of F vector. So this is incorrect. B vector plus C vector. B vector plus C vector. The resultant should be like this. This is not similar to the direction of F vector, so this is also incorrect. D plus C. If D plus C, this is the direction of resultant. This is again not coinciding with the direction of F vector. D plus E. This is the direction of resultant and that coincides with the direction of F vector. So this is the correct answer. Okay. The next question then is from AIPMT 2007. It says modulus of cross product and modulus of dot product are related as shown. So can I say this is the relation given. So tan theta will be root 3. Correspondingly cos theta will be half then. Can I say if I want to solve for a plus b modulus, it will be root over a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. We know the value of cos theta is half, so this becomes a square plus b square plus ab. That then matches with option 4. Required answer. Okay. This question that we see here is from AIMS 2009. It has given a definition that torque is nothing but cross product of R and F. R vector is given, F vector is given in mathematical form. I have already discussed, if I have to find R cross F, I can deal in this manner. R is the first vector, so I will first put the values or components of R. Then I put the components of F. Then it will be 15 minus 1 I cap plus minus 3 minus 35 j cap plus 7 plus 9 k cap. I have given the formula in the lecture of multiplication of vectors, right? You can go through that. This then becomes 14 I cap minus 38 j cap plus 16 k cap. This is R cross F. And that is also equal to the required torque. So can I say it matches with option 1 then? Hence the required answer. Fine. The next question that we are looking at is from AIPMT 2015. When they become orthogonal, means they become perpendicular. So A dot B, if I solve, it will be cos omega t into cos omega t by 2 plus sin omega t into sin omega t by 2. So if I use concept of trigonometry, I know this will be cos A minus B. So this will be cos omega t by 2. If I want them to be orthogonal, can I say the dot product should be 0? So for orthogonal, dot product should be 0, and dot product is 0 when omega t by 2 is equal to correct, right? Since we want for first time, right, then the value of t for which they are orthogonal, this t will be right. So on putting the values, we will find out t will take values like pi by 2 omega, 5 pi by 2 omega, and so on. If we look at the options, it then matches with option 3, right? So these were some previous year questions that came in medical exams, right? Thank you everyone.